City gone. Big band with the waves. Turn the big band. Is there anybody out there that can clean this up? Is there anybody out there that can clean this up? No. 51 Alabama said hello. That old doorknob, my friend, up there in the foothills. Ain't no doubt about it, Captain. Like Jack in the Box. It's been a long time. If you're the same Captain Lou I'm thinking about, it's been a long time since I heard you out there, my friend. You sounded roots, though. No doubt about it. You're front and center in my radio. I won't listen because it's busy out there. 53s? Doorknob there in Music City waving. I'm gone. Sam Powell. I thought it had to run a Sam Powell and Farm Club, Tennessee. Tennessee. Somebody out there on the Powell Road to 5, my friend, up there in the foothills, Ken, old Dory. Road to 5, 301. You over there in Georgia. Rose Farm. Somebody say about cleaning up all that noise. That's all I got. Man, it's rough down here too on this end. Bring it back. We gonna see if we can pull that out. Doorknob listening. K559.
Top of the night, doorknob, a doorknob, 351, Sam Powell, waving.
I should have known I was shooting 351 about it. Well, then, you know what you done? Flip that switch. Stepped on that pedal, but you slid over the top. Hey, 351 is where you out there, my friend. Thanksgiving? I catch you again when I can. I'm sure I catch you before the holidays. Doorknob there in Music City waving. I'm gone. Very well.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, man. I'm gonna key this thing up and get back where you way before then. You know that condition's been going that way, and it's been crazy, especially today. But yeah, man, I just been kicked back here reading the mail. I haven't even keyed it up. I was just waiting for the right moment.
Wow, you talk about got rough, ain't it? Come around. I got most of that 351, but at the end, it got really rough. Man alive. I've been missing that probably all afternoon. I've been gone. I just got home about 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. Got some fun out there. I'm going to take a little pause for the calls. I ain't even been to bed since I got off of work. I ain't going to check on my mom. That's a pretty good drive. Hey, 73s? Oh, the Music City getting winded. I'm gone. 301 and
Hey, when they know I key it up, they gotta pump it up. You know how it goes, man. I'm just working these transistors, though. Hey, doorknob, take care. Happy holidays. We'll get back with you later. You're 351, Sam Powell. Be quiet.
It's good to hear you, my friend. You slid over the top of that train with your hand. It was definitely a train wreck, like old Jack in the Box. Hey, 73s? I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, my friend. It's busy. I'm going to get out of the way. Hey, one more time. Have a good week and good week in Orange.
Old Deer Slayer knows better than that. Don't be pulling that big old 10-element beam up there and crossing across my path, man. Ain't no point in all that. Hey, doorknob, and everybody else, man, if you got a sloppy copy, you're 351, got down. Oh, 351, Dr. Taylor, Northeast